Unadilla did not end the way Joe Shimoda wanted, or Honda for that matter, ending up with a broken collarbone. That happened in Moto 2 after finishing first, or not first, fourth in Moto 1, which is pretty fitting since he's fourth in both motocross and supercross standings. But that's the crash right there. And the thing is, they don't always have to be these big high side launching crashes. If you fall off the side of a track down right onto your shoulder or collarbone, in this instance, it's a pretty easy thing to break. And the initial, or not the initial, the official statement from Honda has a quote from Joe saying, "quote It felt great to be up front and battling for the lead, but unfortunately the battle didn't end the way I wanted it to. I ended up with a broken collarbone, and I'll have to get a plate put in. Obviously, that's not how we wanted the day to go, but we'll be back stronger once I'm healed." Obviously, it's not great news with only 2 rounds to go. It's surgery time, healing time. Obviously, a lot of these guys ride with plates in their collarbones. It's not exactly a super long turnaround or super long downtime thing, but it's still not something you want to have happen at the end of the season, especially being up in the points for the SMX playoffs. And any time off the bike right now is not good, especially if you're him and you want to have a good year. Where Supercross was kind of hit or miss, and he's had a pretty quiet year. I think after this he's 289 points, so he was pretty close. He's probably going to lose fifth, maybe sixth, depending on how Masterpool does. He was down 30 at the moment. So yeah, he probably will lose those. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Do you think this is something he'll be back for SMX? You're gonna miss a week or two and then be fine. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you're thinking. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.